Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a compatible tool. LibreOffice Impress if you want full offline control, Google Slides for cloud-based editing, or the free PowerPoint viewer to view slides. Once chosen, make local copies of any PPTX files and collect images, fonts, and audio so you won't chase missing assets later. Install the app and grant storage permissions. Open one test file to confirm layout and fonts. Make sure to note any missing fonts so you can replace them before you proceed with edits. You'll now focus on detailed fixes. Open the presentation and immediately inspect the slide master and fonts. This determines global spacing and style. If layout shifts occur, swap fonts or adjust text boxes. This prevents overflow when exported. For media, relink or convert audio and video to widely supported formats like MP3 or MP4 so playback works. Once media is set, simplify heavy transitions and complex animations. Convert them into basic fades or appear effects to ensure consistent behavior across apps and devices. You finish by exporting in fallback formats. Create a PDF for static sharing and an MP4 video for automated playback. These avoid software-specific quirks. Once done, test both files on the devices or platforms your audience will use, making sure resolution and file size suit bandwidth limits. If something breaks, revert to your original copy, check missing fonts or linked media, and re-export with simplified transitions or lower resolution. A single troubleshooting tip. If slides look wrong, replace the slide master and reapply layouts. This fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.